The recent numbers in San Diego County have been heading in a positive direction. The county suicide rate in 2019 was 12.8 per 100,000 people, the lowest rate since 2011. In 2019, in fact, we saw nearly an 8% decrease in lives lost to suicide among San Diego County residents. Suicide can be prevented if we know the signs, if we speak openly and reach out for resources and support.
Now, with the 2018 update to the San Diego County Suicide Prevention Action Plan, postvention services or supports after a suicide loss was identified as one of 9 key strategies. Exposure to death by suicide is associated with an increased risk of damaging health and social outcomes among the people who are left behind, including an increased risk of suicide.
Postvention should involve employers and schools having evidence-based support in place for how to talk about suicide, as well as providing mental health care and other supportive services after a suicide takes place. Postvention may also take the form of informal conversations that we have with our loved ones and our fellow community members about losing someone to suicide and offering support.
How can we bless those that have gone on? Is by living life to our fullest. I want to encourage you to remember those that have gone on. And when I say remember them, remember those good times, remember those laughters, remember those jokes, remember what made that person special. And I want you to pass that on to somebody else. I don't want you to stay in the moment of their departure from here, but I want you to stay in those moments of life. And I think by doing that, we honor them. We honor them by living our lives to the fullest.